how to create animal cooking videos. Popular demand in my comment section. So today I'll be teaching you how you can actually create videos like this where animals actually cook. Animals are chef. These videos are actually making wave on social media these days, especially on Instagram, YouTube Short, and TikTok. And a lot of people are making money out of this. Yes, a lot of people. You can see this channel that actually creates AI videos just like so, with different images, cooking, different flashy images from AI, and these people are making loads of money by getting views. Okay, let's go. Let me teach you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment the next thing you want me to teach you, because this is the popular demand from the comment section. My name is Wokobuchi. I teach you how to monetize a social media platform, how to edit videos, and how to grow on social media, and the most important one, how to work with every AI tool on social media these days. Let's go into the tutorial. Let me teach you how to do this in few seconds. Let's go. Okay guys, first thing first, you go to ChatGPT. When you get to ChatGPT, you type this particular prompt. Please give me motion prompt of animals cooking. Different animals in different scenes. Okay, so in different scenes. So you click here and ChatGPT will give you this prompt. Okay, let's wait for ChatGPT to give the prompt. Guys, if you don't know, please, this is mine. Just screenshot it. Okay, now you take this prompt. First thing first, you take the first one, a squirrel. This one is funny. Now you copy this first prompt, you go to Pick Lumen. Everybody knows Pick Lumen already. It's a picture app. You go to Pick Lumen, you click, this is Pick Lumen. This will be your page like this. You register on Pick Lumen. Everybody, I'll put the name on the screen. You register on Pick Lumen. You come down here where there's this small pen. You click on the small pen where you see what do you want to draw. You click there, you paste your prompt, and then you click up here on this arrow and you wait for it to generate. You can see there's some few pictures I generated already from from some other stories, you know. So you wait for it to generate. There you go. That's our first picture. We go back, we take our second prompt, a fox. Copy the second prompt. Okay, why is this thing disturbing me to copy? Okay, copy the second prompt. These people are sick. ChatGPT is crazy. I'll just copy from here. So copy the next prompt. Go to Pick Lumen again. Paste the same place you pasted. Paste that one too. You click again. You wait for it to generate. So we need to generate all our prompts first. Okay. After generating pictures for our prompt, so we can actually choose the ones that we need. Okay. Yeah. So if you see that this prompt is not giving how it's supposed to be given, you just paste again and recreate. Because with this app you can actually generate many images, right? You try again and then you generate and see the difference. So you have different options of what to choose, right? Now, okay, you go again, you take another prompt, you copy the next prompt and go paste again. Same place on Pick Lumen, on Pick Lumen. So when you're done doing all this, picture back and forth, get your picture. When you're done getting your pictures, let's wait for this one to query on and see again. Okay. Ooh, you see this first one? No, let's take the first one. The second one is not given. So we download this into our phone. Click and download. You come here. I'll choose this one. You click on the 3 lines on the bottom, 3 lines at the bottom, you click on download. You go to this one. Let's see which one goes. Okay, let's take this one. You click. You all know we are working with AI, right? We are working with AI, and AI is nobody's friend. So there's some prompts you might put and they will not come out the way it's supposed to be. So you need to recreate again. Okay, you need to put it back again and recreate. So you need to put it back again and recreate. So I'll click again and I do another one from the other scene because I have not finished creating all the videos, all the pictures, sorry. All the pictures. Okay, yes, Mama Bear is making pizza, I guess. Okay, so we have all this done. I think that those are the 4 prompts that we got. Yeah, the silky fox, chef, toasting, stirring. Yeah, okay, we have that one. The first one we have. Okay, now let's start with the first one. You copy the first prompt. Okay, copy the first prompt again. Now you've generated your first video. Let's go to where we'll be generating our video now. Sorry, you've generated your images. Let's go for video section now. Okay, now when you click on your browser, you look for Minimax. Okay, Minimax AI. Okay, so this is Minimax AI. This is Minimax AI. This is where I generate most of my videos. You can see this is where I generate most of my videos, most of my videos. Okay, now when you get to the Minimax app, what you need to do is you register on this app. Please register on this app. They give you 100 free coins every day to generate. What did I say? 100 free coins every day to generate, which means you can generate 3 free videos a day. Don't come and tell me, oh, it is payable. She said it's free. But it is free that you use. You generate 3 videos every day. But after that, you cannot generate. It's only 3 videos per day. I don't want to see in my comment section saying what I don't know. Now, after you must have registered on this app, it's like TikTok or any other app, easy to register. Once you register on this app, you come here where you see this plus button. You click on that plus button, it will bring you here. When it brings you here, right, this is how your interface will look like. The first one in purple is text to image. The second one is text to video. The third one is reference to image. So we'll put the first one, right? You click on it. You click where you see that picture. You click on top. You bring your first picture. So this is the first picture we have, right? And then you come down here where they say unleash your creativity. You drop your prompt here. Yes, you drop your prompt. Now when you drop your prompt, you come down here. You see that where it says 30? You click. This place where it says text to image, you can click and check the model. Okay, so you take the second model, not the first one, because you want to do a realistic something. Now once you click here where you see 30 coins, you click on top of the 30 coins for you to generate. Now they say wait until picture uploads. So my picture have not uploaded. We'll wait for a while for the picture to upload. So it takes time. Okay, it is AI and we are using it for free, so it can actually do whatever it wants to do to us. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so let's just wait. Be patient. Upload fail. I don't know why. I need to upload. Okay, now upload. Okay, now I'll click on generate and one job in query. You see, so this is the one job. That's it. It is generating, so you wait for it to generate. Now there's one thing I want to tell you about this app. For this app, you can wait for almost 30 minutes for it to generate. You see, they're telling you 3,800 and something people already on the way, which means you'll be waiting for 11,000 minutes, 244. Yes, that's the time you'll be waiting for this video to generate, because it is free. If you want this app to do it fast, you pay. So this is how you do it. So wait for your time. Take your time. It might take you 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 20 minutes to generate one video. Yes. So I've shown you this. I'll come back and show you guys when the video generates, okay? And when the video generates like this one, once the video generates, you can come down here where you see the video. See like this one here now. You see where you see this down arrow? You click on that down arrow. When you click on that down arrow, it says download. You click on download and it will download to your files, okay? It will download into your files, which means your video will be in your file when you're ready, okay? So now we need to only wait for this video to come out. So yes guys, this app, you can use it to generate your videos, but for the free, okay? And to some extent, if you want to be planning to be putting all these things on Instagram, Facebook, yes. If you're using them on YouTube as well, yes, but you don't have to use them for longer videos on YouTube. If you want to use them for longer videos on YouTube, make sure you pay for this app so you don't get copyright, okay? Yes, my advice. Those who have ears, yeah. If you don't get ear, it's okay. Thank you.